Let's talk about alternate nostril breathing. If you were to plug your nose and just breathe through one side, each side has different benefits and effects. So if you plug your right nostril, and I know it looks like my left, but if you plug your right nostril and just breathe through the left, you're going to end up introducing rest and digest. You're going to end up feeling nice and calm, nice and relaxed after you do that for a few minutes. Whereas if you plug your left and you inhale and exhale only through the right side, if you do that for a few minutes, you're going to introduce a little bit of fight or flight, a little bit of energy into your system. So depending on the effect that you want, if you know you want to feel a certain way, then awesome. Just go ahead and breathe through the one side for a few minutes. But with alternate nostril breathing, we're going to take turns. So you're going to feel nice and balanced, just very pleasant, on an even keel. You might notice that one side is a little bit clearer than the other. That's normal. And sometimes it clears itself up during this process as well. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take two fingers and you're literally going to hold one side. You're going to inhale. You're going to switch sides and block the other side and then exhale. You're going to inhale from the side you just exhaled in. And then you're going to switch to exhale. And then you would start your next inhale here again, right? So that's 3. I typically like to do these in sets of 10. So let's do a set of 10 and see how you feel afterward. Get ready and inhale. Switch. Switch. Exhale. That was 2. Inhale. Halfway. Inhale. One more. Looks kind of weird. You might not want to do that one in public, but I hope you're feeling great. If you enjoy that one, you can keep going. Like I said, I like to do it in sets of 10 because I like to count. I like the focus that counting helps me helps me create as well. So I hope you enjoy that. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to breathe with you again soon. Take it easy.